Yo, so I haven't done one of these in a minute where I actually talk with you guys, so here we go. I'm gonna be using High Life Voodoo Island today. It's a medium hold, oil-based pomade. Just like most of the High Lifes, it smells like coconut. It's delicious. I am gonna be putting an emphasis on actually doing the blow drying tutorial today, so let's see what I can do. My hair does not take well to shaping, so I'm just gonna try. So I took my shower, hair's damp. I don't know if I'm sweating or if it's just dripping still. We're gonna use my blow dryer, made by Slow Pill. I'm gonna go back and forth with a round wire brush. I might try this one with the plastic tips, plastic teeth. Then I also got this big old one. So I'm just gonna take this, put it to the top speed with heat. That's number 2 on this guy. And with this, I'm gonna pull back a little bit and rotate. I'm just gonna keep doing that move. And I'm gonna chase it with the hair dryer. You could already see it kind of forms its shape. With the blow drying, what I'm hoping to do is exaggerate and bring forward some. I get a decent shape, but I just want to see if I could get some more curl and pull it out more. So I'm going to swap to this bigger one. Pause. Let's get started. So it's a medium hold. It's pretty soft, really workable. And because it's a lighter hold than I normally use, the volume that I got from blow drying is going to be a lot more accentuated. So I'm going to slick back and start sectioning off my hair, like sides and sides versus the top. Then I'm just going to start pumping it up. It's a great product. I just did my hair in a couple seconds though. That's damn near impossible most days. So what I can do to tighten things up, I'm gonna grab this round brush again. I'm gonna grab my hairs with the teeth, comb down, brush down, roll down, and I'm just gonna get the sides nice and tight. So that's Voodoo Island. I'm wildly surprised. I haven't used this product in months. And now I'm realizing I should have been using it for a lot longer. High Life, hit me up. I could use another can or two. That's a good shine. It holds well. I can move my hair whenever I need to. It's perfect. I hit the trifecta. Voodoo Island, High Life. I'm dead serious. I could use another can or two.